Look at that. What is this? I think this is cotton. Cotton tree. I'm not too sure though. So I'm on the road going home. Yeah. Nice. Thank you, God. I'm done. Tilugan ditoy adayo kapay ag anadan ag sardandan, you know. So this is the road going home. Beautiful place. Very secure. Look at that, guys. Look. Isn't it pretty? This. I'm just walking home. Upload ko to dito iton madamdam. Haircut is done. Amoy ti haircut dito eh. No, once nga inpanda ka iti appointment mo, dapat inkag pakita. Kasi namultak na minsanen. Nalipatak di appointment ko. Then nagpipindas na ito yung malabsak na eh. Nalipatak di appointment ko. Then tawagan nak di hairdresser ko. Bing, I'm sorry, but you didn't cancel your appointment, so you still have to pay. So, how many years was that? I think that was in 2021. Bago akpel ito, yakay lamot patakaranda, you know. Then namulta nga talaga. 60 pounds. After that, jak kayat nga maulitan yun. Come on guys, 60 pounds is not a joke. So there is a bus stop here. Pintas ito ayam meda kayo. Thanks God. Naira na nga di aktudo. So nga makapag naak. It's just half an hour, maybe. Half an hour walk to home. Look at that. Nakita ti time ne. Time ti kaagda ti bus. Dahil iti lugang ko no daduma. Natuwangak na minsan. Baglaeng kat din piman ta. Diyak nagagaraan. So, I just have to walk. Take my time. Galalak pa iket din. Biyag ti abroad. But it's okay guys. Naasi ni Apo Juice. Awan lakit diti saksakit. Mayaklat ta. Awan gaget mo. Awan met malamot. That's Bath NHS house. See? Nakitay adda basit. Ayun, malabsak dito. Ne. Diyos ko. Ngayon no ijay balayo. At dakastoy. Di jay naglumbay jay anam. Jay naglumbay ijay solar mo. Mabalin mo nga alanen. You know?